First, we need a character, of course. If you don't have a 3D model, you can make one in Meshy AI for free. You can also use other AI tools as well. There are two ways that you can do this. You can write a text prompt, but make sure to say that it is in a T pose, a standard pose where the character stands upright with both arms extended horizontally and is bold, so later we can add hair. Or you can first generate an image in Gemini or other AI tools and then give it to Meshy AI. The first picture was this. Nah, make it sexy. Sure it won't. So just make it a little bit sexy. Same thing. Okay, more naked. Oh, she looks like she can beat the hell out of others. Okay, remove the background. As you can see, text to 3D is not predictable. She's not even in T-pose. So let's give the image we made earlier to Meshy AI. Right now, as I'm recording this, Meshy 5 is free. Click Generate. It has a clean mesh. Then we generate the texture. I mean the 2D image applied to the surface of the third model. Then download it as an FBX file. Open Blender. Remove everything you see. Drag and drop the model you downloaded into Blender. Let's center her. Select it, click G, and position it in the center. Right-click Set Origin, Origin to Third Cursor. This puts the origin at the base of the character. The origin is a model's reference point, which is important for positioning, rotation, and scaling. Open this drop-down and select the statistics. As you can see, the model has 78,000 triangles, which is too much for Unity. Let's make it less than 10K. Before that, let's apply the texture. Go to Shading. Then in Base Texture, select Use File in Original Location. Then choose Material Preview. Go to Modifier tab, add Modifier, search for Decimate. This will reduce the excessive number of triangles. But as you can see, the face is ruined, while the other parts of the body are fine. So remove the modifier for now. Let's first separate the head from the body and only decimate the body. Go to Edit Mode, select the Face Select tool, and then select the faces of the head. Then press P and choose Selection. The head is now a separate mesh. Now just select the body mesh and decimate it. Choose the head, go to Edit Mode. By moving the vertices, I mean the individual points that make up the mesh, using G you can refine the areas that need improvement. Return to Object Mode. Since later we want to sculpt the character in Symmetry mode, make sure that this little yellow dot is in the middle. If it is not, right-click, Set Origin, Origin to Geometry. Now let's merge the meshes. Select the head then the body. Right-click, Join. Okay, now those two meshes are just one mesh. Now export your model as an OBJ file, upload it to Mixamo to rig it. Rigging adds a skeleton to the character so it can be animated. It is better to first rig the character and then add blend shapes. Blend shapes, also called shape keys, allow you to deform the character mesh into different shapes. Choose T-pose, then download it with a skin. The skin contains the character's mesh and texture together with the rig. If you want other animations for later, download them but without the skin. You don't need to download the character mesh and texture again for every animation. Okay, go back to Blender and make a new project. Drag and drop the model you downloaded from Mixamo into the Blender and scale it using S on the keyboard and then drag it to make it bigger. Okay, everything is ready for the next lesson. See you later!